Let us now study how to insert images in LaTeX. So to insert any image in LaTeX, you need to save all the images in particular folder where you can easily access. So you have to name the images in such a way that you can remember. So here I have named the images for SVIT logo, VTU logo, and the slides which I am going to insert in LaTeX. For example, tables, thank you slide, and then reference, images, equation, and site, so that I can remember the name of the image and where exactly it is stored. So now let us go to our LaTeX code. So here I am not writing any code, LaTeX code of inserting the image. I need not remember the lines. So instead of that, I am going to wizard, pull down menu, select insert graphics. Here you can browse the file where exactly it is located. So in this folder I have saved all the images. So select the image, click OK. Do not worry about any other thing. Here the label for the figure is given by automatically, so it will help to update the list of figure. So now you are able to see our Text Studio written the code for inserting the figure. As soon as I bring the cursor on the SVIT logo, you are able to see the image is popping out. Now let us give the caption for this image. So on executing this, running this, we are able to see, click the view icon, you are able to see the image is inserted exactly at the center. So here the option for changing the dimension of the figure can be done like this. Instead of 0.7, select 0.5. Automatically the image dimension is reduced. Now let us see 0.3. Check whether its dimension reduced or not. Its dimension is reduced. So now this is the procedure to insert images. So in some cases you are going to insert two images side by side. So in such case, what I am going to do here is I am going to use the same wizard command. Therefore, let us consider the two images and let us uncomment these lines. See here, in order to insert figure side by side, we need to use the code begin figure and end figure. After that, you need to use begin subfigure and end subfigure followed by a horizontal fill, and then again one more subfigure and end figure you have to use. At the end of subfigure, you are going to give proper caption for that image. So let us consider the image as shown here. So this image I have considered, that is how to insert images in LaTeX, and second one is how to insert table in LaTeX. So the title for this image is table and caption. So on executing this, let us see whether we are able to get the images aligned side by side or not. Here you can see the images aligned side by side, that is with sub caption A images and B sub that is tables. So with the figure number and clear title. So in some cases we require two images to be inserted, that is side by side. How to insert 4 figure here? So after horizontal fill you give the vertical fill here. Now I am going to show that option also. So what I am going to do here is I will copy this code and I will paste here. So after this caption, so what I am going to do here is I am going to delete this caption, and here I am going to give vertical fill / vertical fill, and let us check whether we get any output or not. We are getting the output. Depending on the requirement, you have to use this portion of code carefully. So now you are able to see A, B, C and D are sub figures which is coming under a title, tables and equation. So let me mask this code. So now in some cases we have to insert the figure along with the text, that is running text will be there and we are going to insert the figure. So how to do that? Let us check here. So now we are able to see here some piece of code with the wrap command. So let us uncomment it. All the syntax are same here. Begin figure, end figure, begin sub figure, end sub figure, begin wrap figure, end wrap figure. So now let us consider this code. So what it tells, begin wrap figure, where exactly the figure is to be placed, left side, with the width 0.7 is the text width, and here is the path for the figure. Okay, so this is the caption for the figure here. So let us execute it. Let us check the output. You are able to see the image is exactly aligned at the left side. So in order to add some dummy text, what I am going to use here is I am going to use the lipsum command. In order to use lipsum, that is dummy text generator, you need to add lipsum package here. So in order to wrap figure also, you have to use wrap figure package. Inserting image requires graphics package also. So all these packages are very important for handling the images. So I have inserted lipsum packages. Let us check. So you are able to see the dummy text is inserted next to the figure and the image is well fitted in that text box. You can change the text width also. So let us change it to 0.5. So 50% text, 50% image is appearing here. That is how you can insert images in LaTeX template depending on your requirement. So let us try to uncomment all the code we have written, run it, and let us check whether we are able to get or not. See, this is the first image. These are nothing but the subfigure image, and this is nothing but the wrap figure image along with the text.